It's not moving. I think it died.
It died on top of me?
Check its pulse.
Can you, like, feel it breathing?
I'm not sure.
Hey, Guy,
Detective.
can we call a truce so I can see if the bear's dead?
Yeah.
Fuck. You okay?
What do you think?
Still breathing.
We should go. He'll probably be all right.
What the hell, man?
He's gonna wake up eventually. Well, that's exactly what I'm afraid of.
She,
What?
the bear, is a girl.
Oh, yeah. How do you know that?
Because its vagina is on my ear.
Oh, shit. She's moving. She's awake. Oh, shit. Stay back. Stay back. Chill out. Just chill out.
Oh, hey.
Stay back. What the hell? No, don't eat that, don't eat that. I will be goddamn.
Should we shoot her?
No? Let's see what kind of effect that has on me.